Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about general knowledge. The first chapter starts with the world of animals. There are some questions you have to answer it. Try to answer yourself. I'll tell the options. The first question is, which of these animals is considered endangered in India? Which type of which animals among these, there are three options given. Among these three, which animal is considered as endangered species in our country? We know that some animals are called endangered species. What is endangered species? We know due to the climatic changes or due to the human interference, as we are going to study in your geography lessons about due to this human interference or climatic conditions, some animals have extincted from their surface, some have completely wiped out from their surface. We know that dinosaurs which existed many years ago, still we now it is not found on the earth. Because of the climatic changes, it has extended completely. Now here, endangered species are the such kind of animals which will get over or which will be wiped out from the earth's surface. So some animals are classified into endangered species. In different countries, there are different types of animals coming into this category. Here in our country, some of the animals are there in the endangered species. Three options are given: Indian rhino, musk deer and black buck. Which is the animal is in our country in these three of them, which is the animal is endangered? Indian rhino, musk deer and black buck. Here the answer is black buck. Okay, so here this is a musk deer, not rhino. If you have the textbook, you can see here. Okay, the animal which is in the endangered species in India is a black buck. Option C. Now coming to the second question, what is the approximate length of a chameleon's tongue? What is chameleon? You might have seen chameleon. Okay, in science also you are studying. Chameleon is a small reptile which can change its color. Okay, the picture is given here. If you are able to see, you can see this chameleon green color. Chameleon is a small reptile which can be found in the garden always or outside, which can change its color according to the surroundings. Okay, if it is sitting upon a tree or sitting upon a leaf, and it can adopt the color of the same surrounding or the atmosphere. Now what is the length of a chameleon's tongue? Twice the length of the body. Okay, see the options, twice the length of the body. If it is 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters, twice, 2 times larger than its body. If it is this much bigger, and it's a double size, twice the length of its body, same as the length of its body. If it is this much or 5 or 6 inches, the same size of its body, its length also. Option 3, 3 times the length of its body. Third option is 3 times. Okay, same size of its body, twice of its body, 3 times larger than its body. The option first one is the right option. The twice the length of its body. A chameleon's tongue can be of twice of its length. Now the third question is, what was the name of the first cloned sheep? Cloned sheep. What is cloned sheep? Some in the scientists have made some of these animals of exactly as animals exactly as the same copy of their parent. Okay, so such kind of animals are made by the scientists, and which is called cloning. So here they had given the name of first cloned sheep was given Polly, Dolly and Molly. What is the name here? What is the option? Polly, Dolly, Molly. So here the option B is the right answer. Dolly is the answer. Now coming to the fourth question, how long does it take to boil an ostrich egg? You might have seen ostrich. It is the largest bird. Ostrich is the largest bird, and and those who consume egg, you know that it takes 8 to 10 minutes to boil an normal egg. We know egg which is obtained from the hen, it takes 8 to 10 minutes for boiling one egg. Here ostrich egg is very big. We know that it is the biggest or the largest bird. Its egg also is very big. How much time does it take to boil an ostrich egg? How much time is needed for boiling ostrich egg? Options are given: 10 minutes, 6 minutes, 50 to 90 minutes. 10 minutes, 6 minutes, 50 to 90 minutes. So which option is right here? Option C is the right answer, 50 to 90 minutes. Ostrich egg, which is the largest egg of the bird, it takes 50 to 90 minutes. That means almost 1.5 hours. Almost 1.5 hours, 50 to 90 minutes. Question number 5. What is the approximate length of a newborn kangaroo? You know what is kangaroo? Kangaroos are the animals, very beautiful looking, which is found in Australia mostly. Is it? Kangaroos are found in Australia. So here a baby kangaroo, you know, which is a baby kangaroo, which is called a joy. Okay, baby kangaroo, like the cat's baby is called a kitten. Puppy is the baby of a small dog. Okay, like that. A baby kangaroo or a small kangaroo is known as joy. And here, what is the approximate length of a newborn kangaroo? How much big kangaroo's baby is when it is born, newly born? 1 inch, 1 foot, 14 inches. 1 inch, this much only. 1 inch, 1 foot, and 14 inches. 14 inches. What is the length of a newborn kangaroo? It's approximately 1 inch only. The right answer is 1 inch. A newborn kangaroo is only 1 inch. Now question number 6. What is the approximate weight of a domestic guinea pig? Guinea is a Western African country. Guinea. The guinea pig is not a pig. It's kind of small rodent. Okay, so that a guinea pig, what will be the weight of a domestic guinea pig? That is here option A is 1500 to 2500 grams. 1500 to 2500 grams. Option B 500 to 1500 grams. Option C 2500 to 3500 grams. Three options are given. Option B is the right answer. B is the right answer. 500 to 1500 grams. Okay. Now this answer, once again you have to check the answer for the first question, and option C is the right answer. Second question, option A is the right answer. Third question, option B is the right answer. Fourth question, C is the right answer. Fifth question, A is the right answer, and sixth question, B is the right answer. Now let's come into the second chapter, sports and its terms. We know that many sports are played, and you are also very good at sports on games also. Some of the particular terms associated with the sports. Here some examples are given. We will study here. Now first let us see here some of the terms used in the games or sports. As you know that we are expert in playing cricket, you know, when run or wickets, these are all the terms often used in the cricket, commonly used in cricket. Here some other terms are given, and some different games also are given. I will read out all these options here. Drafting, winning hazard, hustle, setter, half pipe, bullpen, flights, double dribble, touchdown, nutmeg. These are the terms. Once again I will read. Drafting, winning hazard, hustle, setter, half pipe, bullpen, flights, double dribble, touchdown, nutmeg. Now I will read out the games. What are the sports? Billiards, car racing, darts, American football, baseball, skateboarding, golf, football, volleyball, basketball. Now let us see here. We have the you have to open the textbook and find out these answers. Drafting. Drafting is a term associated with car racing. Drafting is associated with car racing. Winning hazard is associated with billiards. Winning hazard is a term used in billiards. Hosel is a term used in golf. Hosel is a term used in golf, that is G. Setter, fourth question is setter. Setter is a term which is used in volleyball. I is the option letter is I. Setter is a term associated with volleyball. Now half pipe, it is a term used in skateboarding. Half pipe is a term used in skateboarding. Now sixth question, bullpen. Bullpen is associated with the option E, baseball. Bullpen is associated with the baseball, option E. Now seventh question, flights. Flights is associated with the option letter C, darts. Flights, darts. Now eighth question, double dribble, which is associated with basketball. Double dribble is associated with basketball. Question number 9, touchdown. Touchdown is a term associated with American football. Option letter D. Touchdown is associated with American football. Now last question, question number 10, nutmeg. Nutmeg, which is associated with the football. Option letter H. Nutmeg is associated with the football. Option letter H. Now let's see here once again. Check here. Drafting B. Winning hazard A. Hosel G. Setter I. Half pipe F. Bullpen E. Flights C. Double dribble J. Touchdown D. And nutmeg H.